Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a Tic Tac Toe game without using graphics.h header file. A lot of people on my previous videos were commenting me about my using custom header files and using additional header files that were not available. So in today's video I used to actually do that to make the code short. So in this video I have not used, I have already typed the code. It's a bit lengthy, but it's gonna work. You can see this. So over here I have used all simple logic. It was difficult to program. You can see. This is how the game works. One second. Actually, error do occurs sometimes. 1, 4, 1, 8, 9. See, they are 1. Then they are this error operation do often come in Windows. So you can see this is working fine. In my previous code also that was the same thing, and that happens. But the game is working. You can see it's fine, absolutely fine.